Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize GitHub for version control, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a GitHub account if you don't have one. Visit github.com and click on the sign up button. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once logged in, create a new repository by clicking on the new button in the repository section. Give your repository a clear and descriptive name. Add a brief description of your project to provide context. Choose the visibility of your repository, public or private. Initialize the repository with a README file to outline your project details. Click on Create Repository to finalize the setup. Now, install Git on your local machine if you haven't done so already. Visit git-scm.com and download the installer for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions specific to your OS. Open a terminal or command prompt to configure your Git settings. Set your username by typing git config global user. Name your name. Set your email by typing git config global user. Email your -email at example.com. Navigate to your project directory using the command line. Use the command git init to initialize a Git repository in that directory. Create or add your project files to this directory. Run git add. To stage all changes for the first commit. Commit the changes with a message using git commit m initial commit. To link your local repository to GitHub, type git remote add origin https://github.com/your-username/your-repository.git. Push your commits to GitHub using the command git push you origin master. To optimize collaboration, create branches for different features or fixes. Use git checkout b branch name to create and switch to a new branch. Make your changes in that branch and stage them using git add. Commit the changes with an appropriate message. When your work is complete, switch back to the main branch using git checkout master. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.